There, I'm Ashley from the Professional Massage Academy, and today we are going to talk about the field of massage therapy and at what age you can do it, if any, and how long you can do it throughout the lifespan. So, a lot of times we get asked as massage therapists, how long have you been doing this? How long have you been in the field of massage therapy? And we have some really great news. The great news is that you can be a massage therapist at any age, and many people are in this career for a really long time. There's a couple of reasons. One is that you can get started at a young age. You can get certified and become a massage therapist at, basically whenever you decide out of completing the requirements to get your certification. So at PMA, you can get certified in as little as 15 weeks to become a massage therapist. So it is a career that's easy to get started in. There's not a ton of things or hurdles, hoops that you have to jump through first to get into it. And then once you're in the field of massage therapy, there's so many opportunities and different settings you can work in, different techniques you can perform that keeps you in the field for a very long time. For example, you could choose to specialize in certain techniques that are easier on your body and not as intensive for your joints and your body itself, if that is something that you're interested in. There's things called deep friction mobilization, where you really aren't having to use your body as much as you would in, for example, a deep tissue massage. You may really have to use your muscles and use your body to provide that pressure during the massage. Although there are great ways to use your body so that you're keeping yourself safe and in the profession as long as possible. And you'll learn those techniques and things called ergonomics, which is how to use your body effectively, so that you don't get injured and you don't have strains or pains due to the physical nature of the job. Um, we hear that people are really, really happy and satisfied in their careers as massage therapists, and that they continue on well into their lifespan. So, for example, someone that maybe started as a massage therapist in their 20s, in their 50s or 60s, they may choose to still be a massage therapist, but change their route a little bit. Maybe then they choose to own a massage therapy center, or have some people that work with them on their team so that they don't have to work as many hours at that point, and can kind of go into an owner or a managerial position as well. There's lots of different settings that you can choose to be in. You can choose to work with other people or be your own boss. You can choose to be in a standalone clinic, or you can choose to work, let's say, on a beach or in a tropical destination. So the thing about massage therapy is that you can do it basically anywhere. This gives people a nice opportunity to, maybe have a clinic in one area or vacation in a different place and have some clients there. So again, as we continue to progress in our lives, there's lots of opportunities and lots of different places that you can do this. So also, another great thing about the career of massage therapy is you can choose to have flexible hours. So this is really nice, as people might not want to be working as much as they're getting older. You can choose to have flexible hours or just work part-time. And again, you could even have a second job, or use it as an adjunct to a current position that you're in. So lots of variability, lots of opportunity in this field. And again, you can do it at any age, and it's really accessible and it's fun. So people really tend to enjoy doing this throughout their entire lifespan. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them for you here at PMA. Sign up for our newsletter. It's on our website, theprofessionalmassageacademy.com. And we hope that you consider joining us. We have lots of different tracks that you can decide how much time that you have to dedicate to completing our program. So you can be a massage therapist in as little as 15 weeks. And if you don't have a lot of time, then you can do a different track where you can become a licensed massage therapist while still having a current job or completing other duties that you currently are in. So we hope this makes sense and thank you so much. Reach out and have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.